Now, once you get your application, you're gonna want to find a PDF planner. So many shops, so many places to get them. What you can do is you can go into Instagram or Facebook, whatever you use, or TikTok, and you're just gonna do hashtag digital planner. And you're going to find a lot of creatives that either have their own planners. So find something that suits your aesthetic, your style, and the way you want things to look. If they are the creator of their planner, they are going to link the planners in their profile. That's one way to do it. Or you can just quickly hop on Etsy. Tons to choose from. Your keyword is going to be digital planner. And I suggest doing it in Etsy because, look, I mean, the possibilities are endless. And with every shop, you're going to see more of a preview. So if you like this look, this is a boho digital life planner. Then it tells you what's inside. It shows you what it looks like to see if there's something that you want to commit to. And then the price is a one-time price. So if this was a planner that was undated, you'd be able to use that planner. So that same $12.90 that she has listed here will last you for every year if you want to continue using the same planner over and over again. However, this one is dated. So she did it as a 2022, 2023 planner. So that means that after the year ends, then you would have to purchase another planner. But that's all preference. Some people like it dated, some people don't like it. Again, it's a plethora of choices for you to look for. There's even journals. So if you like more of a journaling type of planner, you can opt for that instead. So pick one, look through, read the reviews, purchase your planner, and then we're gonna get on to the next step, which is actually downloading your planner once you have purchased it and how to import it into GoodNotes.